Good evening guys, and tonight I'm going to be unboxing the Tauri screen protector for my new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Right, so let's have a look, see what's in the box. We have some dust absorbers, which are the sticky things that you put on the screen to get any dust that's left over. And then it looks like there's some wet thingies there that you wash the screen with. And then obviously you've got your drying cloth and you've got your flattener thing there that takes out the bubbles. We have a lens cover, but please bear in mind, if you're using a genuine Samsung cover, it won't actually fit with this lens cover on, so I'm not actually going to be applying that tonight. We've got two of those because there's two screen protectors in the box. You've got your plastic thing that goes into the hole in the bottom, which holds your screen protector in place. Obviously your screen protectors themselves and your non-slip mat. Right, so we'll go ahead and start fitting this. So place your non-slip mat down there on the table with your phone on it. So we'll pop this into the bottom of the charging slot. So I'm going to take the old cover off. So we give it a wipe over. Should be nice and clean anyway, especially if you've kept the original cover on there. And you just need to dry all the water off. Now just go over it with your dust buster. Right, so that's all the dust taken off it. So we've got to take number 1 off first, which is that section there. It's all clearly labelled up. Line that up, pop it over the holes. So we'll take our little bit of card there with the sponge on the end. We've just got to push it down on the sticky bit that we've just peeled off, making sure there is not a bubble left. Right, so if we carry this on, I think we've got to take it up to there where it flips up. Then we push it down firmly whilst doing it. Keep pushing those bubbles out. Just take your time when you're doing it. If you take your time, hopefully it'll all go right, she says. Right to the edges, get those bubbles off the edges there. And once you're confident you've got all them out, lift number 3 up. Flip it out again. Again, slowly down, pushing those bubbles out. Round to the sides. See, with having a curved screen, it is a little bit awkward. Right, I think those bubbles are all out. There we go. Just rub down the sides gently, making sure those sides are stuck down. Got a little air bubble there. Let's pop that one out. There we go then, guys. What do you reckon? I'm quite pleased with that. I think I've done a good job for a first time going at it. I did buy a pack of 2, just in case I mess it up. Right then, guys, thanks for watching. I'll pop a link in the description where you can buy that one from. And I hope I've helped you guys out. If I have, if you can give me a thumbs up and subscription, I'll be grateful for that. And I'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.